Hi, Beth.
Hi.
Where are we going right now?
It's a Griffith Observatory.
Observatory. Oh, look
We're
at
kind of lost right now, but these houses are amazing.
Dang, look at the house.
Oh, it's right there. It's right there. I don't know how to get there.
The picture's just through the big street.
See it?
The rich neighborhoods.
See it? It's right there.
Oh, it's on the hill.
It's right there. We're right here. I don't know. I just don't know how we get there. Just ask around.
Observatory. That way. Oh, it's dark. We turn on the light.
Uh-oh.
Oh, we're gonna go through a tunnel.
No, this is where they did the they did the Back to the Future.
Back to the Future?
Back to the Future. I'll show you. Remember, just look at this, okay? Look very carefully of this. They did the Back to the Future thing here.
Cool. What is this guy doing? Come on, please learn how to drive. Oh, I wonder if there's no parking lot. Why is people parked off to the side and stuff? Just to look at the view? Whoa! View of LA! Whoa, you put that. Oh, we're up so high? Oh, I don't want to see the cars.
Pretty dark though right now.
Are you recording?
We're in the observatory. I think this is the planetarium or something like that. You can kind of see it. It's still dark. You can't
Cool. You lay down.
Yeah. Everyone's at a tilt.
Yeah.
오늘 잘 왔지?
너무 잘 왔어. It's gonna be so much fun today.
We'll see what happens. I'm gonna record it. She said this is better, so.
Yeah. This show?
It's so dark, the camera.
We should stop it for a while. No?
Okay, I'm gonna stop it and then when the stuff comes out, I'll put it back on. It's like a green.
Welcome to the Sammy Ocean Planetarium.
Started.
Before our show begins, we would like to point out the exit you may use during the show in case you need to leave. It is a center exit located behind you and is marked by the red exit sign. Please remember that if you leave during the show, you cannot be readmitted. If you've not done so already, please be absolutely sure that your cell phones and wireless headsets are turned off completely. And please no text messaging during the show, as your screen does emit a flight to from the program on the dome. Photography of any kind is prohibited during the show. We will be traveling through space and time. If at any time you should feel the effects of motion sickness, please just close your eyes. The effect is purely visual and should pass. Now lean back and enjoy our live presentation of First Light. The telescope changed everything.
Well, good evening, everyone. My name is Trey Gibbs, and welcome to the Samuel Ocean Planetarium at Griffith Observatory. In a few minutes, the sun will set. Day after day, year after year, the sun has risen in the east, crossed the sky, and set in the west. But that doesn't mean people have understood why this happens. They didn't. And just how much the glow from electric lights washes out the sky Now this urban sky may be more familiar, but let's get away from those city lights and see the sky the way it was meant to be seen. Much better. But tonight, even with city light year, is the distance light travels in a year. That's 6 trillion miles. And that means Sirius is almost 50 trillion miles away. Still, it manages to shine through the overwhelming lights of LA. Now, there's another bright star on the right side of Orion. It's called Aldebaran. The ancients saw it as the angry red eye of Taurus the bull, who's charging Orion. This fainter star at the tip of the left horn of the bull is one of the few stars to retain an ancient Babylonian name. They called it Shurnarkabdi Shashutu. Those of you who speak ancient Babylonian know that that means the faint star at the tip of the left horn of the bull. This small group of stars on the bull's shoulder is the Pleiades, or the Seven Sisters. Even though the Greeks said the sisters number 7, they never saw 7 stars. They only counted 6 and said one sister had disappeared. In a genuinely dark sky, you can actually see more than a dozen stars in the Pleiades. Most people, though, just pick out the 6 brightest ones. Many people think they look like a tiny dipper. In fact, they often confuse it with a little dipper, which is way over here behind us. Now, if you have a little dipper, there's got to be a big dipper. And there it is. These stars form the Big Dipper, which is part of Ursa Major, the Great Bear. Now, here in Los Angeles, you may be able to see Orion the Hunter with Betelgeuse and Rigel, Canis Major with Sirius, Taurus the Bull with Aldebaran and the Pleiades. But you can't see this. It's the Milky Way, a ghostly band of light that bridges the sky from one side to the other. The Greeks gave it this name because to them it looked like a flowing stream of milk splashed across the sky. When Galileo looked at the Milky Way through a telescope, he saw hundreds of stars, most of which we can't see with our unaided eyes. Galileo could tell the Milky Way isn't a smooth stream of light, but the mixed light of countless stars. Galileo didn't just look at the appearance of objects in the sky. He saw how they move and how they change. Now everybody, of course, can see how the moon moves and changes. It does not take a telescope to figure that out. Every month.
So pretty. Huh.
I know, it is really cool. We're up so high.
얼굴 안 보여.
춥다, 그지?
Let's go inside. There's hydrogen.
Oh, wow.
How you check? What are you doing? So this would take Are you serious? The Big Bang.
Oh, wait, is that we want to light up in the window?
Steve.
Where's it?
They don't have some.
Oh,
Big Bang.
Wait, Nick. What are you doing?